andityi nasemizini yabantu elokishini andityi guys ndandizitye emizini abantu mna endibaze babathenga ngo-my friend
anditye kanjani kule nto ipoverty.
hayi guys yabona thina siyazibulala ngokwethu and ke ngoku abantwana andinefemeli mna yamanaija sinabantwana bamanaija apha emzini nam guys sinabantwana bamanaija bayi-3 boyindodakazi yam bamanaija bayi-3 because of umrhobholo wemali phofu ke wasogqiba kwakhe abantwana bakhe wabathengisa kuma-F washeka yena apha bahamba abantwana bohlala neNiger eRhawutini wabathengisa 10,000 each child.
Hayi bomama
xelela ke mna ngaba bantu sinemirhobholo emingaka yathina because we don't want to work and my friend basifundise into bangabana imali your men are weak abaniniki imali nansi imali so that is the problem ngoku oko my friend bafika babonisa abantu into bangabana you must be given 5,000 a week you must not work so laa nto ngoku ishifte imentality yamenza umuntu bangabana angazazi into bafuneka abe independent phofu nale mali akayazi ivelaphi mali ye-drugs
ngoku abantwana bathengisile 30k.
I'm telling you xa besiza eholideyini bayeza eholideyini ngoDisemba lowo ufika ephethe i-2k yakhe for unina phethe i-2k yakhe because umama akhe uyabaxelela into yoba xa besiza apha mna ndizojonga nabantwana zisa imali 2,000 each ufumana 6,000 xa besiza eholideyini ngoba kwakhe aphole apha engqondweni. That's the thing njalo ke apha eSouth Africa
yasenza imali yezwa
yebo so ke my friend in fact yabona into eyenzileyo my friend even i-push is no my friend we've lost a lot of money because of i-push siyaze ngabo into i-push siyaze ngabo into ezi-scams yonke le nto ye-scam sikuyo sifuna uhle nje sikwinto ingaphi ibhanoyi zize nabo sizaze ngabo everything else was basiphushe ngento bangamane basibafundisa imali they don't know money and all that.
Molo sisana niyaphila.
Hayi ndi-right ndiphatheke kakubi le nto enzeka apha eSouth Africa kanti kuzoba ngcono nini kuwese Eastern Cape kuwese i-Eastern Cape ndiphuma nayo yonke akho development kulaa ndawo indawo enjani leya nimane nisithi zonke i-president ziphuma pha hayi bethunana asithethe nenye into ndafunda pha
bahlala ejozi ababantu
baphethe yonke into
sihlala eKapa thina guys siseKapa
andikho nam ndisempumalanga ndatshatela empumalanga
kodwa
ndiye emngcwabeni kagogo ndafika kungekho nto etshintshileyo cinga ndandifunda ugrade 12 1999 ndifike kungekho mehluko
imanu anikho nonke ubani okhoyo kanti ubani
siyaxa siyongcwaba
siyafuna thina uphila kaloku siyafuna uphila simane sisiya
hayi ngethe ziyahla iteksi ngale eziyangakhona siyobeka abantu sibuye
andikwazi nothatha abantwana bam ndiye nabo phantsi ufike laphi kwindawo enjeya ujonge umdantsane okokoko unoforum akho development uthola into isame ngalaa ndlela wawuyishiye ngayo after how many years.
I tell you hayi thina singabantu betonele sinqubula nje itonele sibuye mntasi
hayi ndiyayiwela mndigqili ndingajongi nasemva
hayi siqubula itonele siqabela itonele siphinde sibuye etoneleni siphinde sibuye
hayi
and kukho into endixakayo apha ne makusithiwa le nto yama-tuckshop ifike namapakistani namasomalia yonke le nto zazikhona ii-tuckshop zazikhona ii-tuckshop
hayi i-tuckshop general dealer nephala nebhutsha
kwatshintsha ntoni kwenzeka ntoni mna kodwa ke enye into endiyisolayo mna apha eSouth Africa ne where is the youth
i-youth yaqala thathwa yipolitiki. Politics was the biggest absorber of i-youth. Then i-youth ke ngoku i-unemployed plus ne-drugs zithe ka.
And uyazi uba yintoni ne if kule nto yange-30 esingayazi cause kule nto yange-30 ne mna eyami opinion ithi akukho nto ezakwenzeka isezezi memorandum bayethuselwa nje aba bantu ukuthi ngeyi-30 sizawuphakama siyishukumise i-South Africa asizuyishukumisa because into eyenzakalayo ngokuya ze kuluthwe bajonge into ba no aba bantu abakhonto bakwazi uyenza into abagood kuyo kulutha nje qha uyazi ukuthi mina into ebuhlungu kuyo yonke lento ne ndiyavula kwezi panel ndimamele ndimva umuntu xa ethethelele senza yonke lento ndiva ukuthi he utsho kuba engazi mna ndenze electrical andikaze ndasebenza over 35 years ngoku akukho nazi Eskom yafika apply lapha yana ujike kuthiwe kufuna 20 yabantu ne mawugqiba lapha manifika lapha niya ku-interview nifike niyi-500 ufuna 20 500 uzibuze wena ukuthi ustenda ndawoni apha kule 500 ye
hayi
Yabona
ngoku
mna-
man ngoku bathi bafaka i-subcontractor ihambe yolanda amagwesha
vake mntasekhaya ukhombisa apha eSouth Africa ukuthi konakele ne lezo subcontract ndasebenza kuzo mna yeva thina singama-South Africans siyacindezelana sisodwa aba bantu bafikile basibona ukuthi okay nansi indlela abaphila ngayo ithi thina sibaxhaphaze kule ndlela abaphila ngayo sithathe yonke into iva umuntu ebethi xakeye esikolweni ne usePretoria useJoburg uyakwazi ufunda at the same time atohoze ecaleni abamba ama-restaurant amaphishjophanyana kungabikho le pressure ngoku sozevuke yenzekile loo nto leyo into eyenzakalayo angeke kuliwa nalelo khunjani yini lale nafsas ukuthi wonke umuntu ufuna le mali ukubona ekuqaleni konyaka into eyenzakalayo la eSouth Africa ufika abantwana ukuthabalela ezitratweni abanandawo mna ndikhe ndohlala eHillbrow mna ndifuna isikolo ndihlelile neHillbrow uyaxoka ukuthi uzothi iJozi uyalazi uphume ngo5 uthwanga uzuyaphi labantu begcwele izitrato zonke nje hayi eSouth Africa and mina okubhlungu ne abantu abacommentayo ufike begxeka besenza yonke lento le ngabantu abangayaziyo ireality umuntu makasukele phezulu akasukele phezulu umuntu jonga imayikhe ndinixelele nansi into ne kule ndawo esikuyo kule ndawo endihlala kuyo mna ngoku ne niyayazi Optimum leya yavalwayo kodwa ivalwe ngamagupta ivuliwe
Optimum Mine
ivulwe ndihlale next door ne-Optimum mina ivuliwe i-Optimum kune-Liberty guess what there's nothing that they are doing for umphakathi nothing njengoba ndihleli la indlu yami iyacracka because i-Liberty iyaziblastela yona izifunela nje lento eyifunayo bese kuthiwa i-DMR mayize iba intoni izothi izo-advocate ayibenzi nix abo bantu abo
siphilaphi ngoku
sihlala kuzo kaloku ezindlu ezi usayikweleta ngapha iyacrack indlu uyayibona ngendlela ecracka ngayo ukuthi this thing it's underneath
hayibo xa bebhoma aba la ngaphansi
sikhona uba usebhedini uva nini kuyatsho ndaphuma ndibaleka ngepassage ndicinga abantwana phela ukuthi kwenza ngantoni yilo nto kayi-Liberty ibhizi ifuna ilahle qha yona so yabona kahle hle napha eSouth Africa zininzi ingxaki zakhona manje nakho sekukhalelwa lena and ayikho into esombululekayo even kwalena yemadlamba commission akhona into icace sime nayo ukuthi okay le sidlulile kuyo siqalenye sijongane nale iyadlula ayikho yonke into yinhlekelele
hayi bona manje kuyabheda manje yonke into iyayibo
bazobuya bathi masisithi sikhala ngemisebenzi andiyikude mna ndiya apha kufutshane next door nami ukuthi nansi i-Optimum bayivulile seyi-Liberty manje i-youth yalana iwahambisile ama-memorandum ayikho into engayenza into abagudi kuyo bakhipha ntoni bakhipha amasotsha banihlohle ngawo amasotsha thina besihlala nawo la esigadile la eHendrina Power Station sihlala nawo la siphila nawo afika abanye bazitholela abafazi khona la bayijolela nje ngisho baphila kamnandi and le ndawo lena yikotasi incinci so njena nje ninibuze into yoba njengoba okay fine masithi sijonge eJozi kulwa ngento yoba nangamakwerekwe ayahamba sisho njalo sifuna uhambisa wona lokho kuncane esikuphilayo ngokuphi kahle ngokuphi
ayingeke lempilo lena ayingeke ayisheshe yathi
nomasipala nawe uyafika lana esayidini ubufuna uvala ufuna uvala amanzi usivalela amanzi nosale nizibona ukuthi nenza kanjani.
and lento ngeke izilungiswe if ayenziwe isystem enjenge-apartheid sonke kumele sophatha umphathi
Injalo kanye, injalo. That's the thing.
And noma mnye
iphoyisa ezobe lishaye wena lishaye ikwerekwe lishaye yonke into ayingeke
uyabona mina kulento yokuthi aba bantu bangaphandle ne silwa nabo aba-understand hayi ukuthi silwa nabo sithi mabahambe bofuna amaphepha
Mina silwa nabo, but masilwe nabo.
ungenawo amaphepha
Sana. Silwa nabo. Silwa nabo.
ngicela
Bayalwa nabo nathi.
siyabonga
Sisanibe lokubacenga simayifika silwe nabo, bazasigezela more. Silwa nabo.
Jonga mntasekhaya yabona le nto ugqiba oyithetha into yoba ninabo abatshana nam ndinaye mna ndihleli naye apha endlini ngondithetha nawe.
Hey, ayisana sisentweni va.
Sisesuphini ubuyayazi isuphu i-mincemeat endingayaziyo inxova into engingayaziyo.
So,
And ugqibe apho ne umamakhe wasweleka nalo tata wakhona wasweleka nesikade ke ngoku imanyamanye into endingayazi ukuthi ndizophuma nditshone phi nayo.
okay.
uthi manje okay
Hey, yo son. Sisentweni.
Ndixelele ukuthi umuntu makazofika apha kwezi panel ahema ndizibuza ukuthi lo muntu lona uyayazi kahle hlena i-reality yempilo uphila kwesiphi story because these things are really happening kumntu ayonto yaseTVini lena.
18 years to come sana izabe ilidabula abantwana bethu eli1 eli ndithe kuba bazaba nee-IDs bagezela abantwana bethu ukuba ngabana thina
DNA ithini igazi lithini lokuthi lona
like
mayivukwa iy'gulo zaseNigeria nizosithini ngizothi
wena uthetha into endala wena yo yabona mna guyisini ne ningafane nibathethele nisithi aba bantu abana bayageza aba bantu bayageza utata lamntana mna ndatsho mna even ifamily sithi boleka umntana seswelekile ndathi nithi nimboleka ukuthi uyaphi thina sihambile ama-police station thina sawahamba ama-social worker thina silwela nje ukuthi umntana abe nempilo eright emlambisa ngapha kula Zimbabwe emkhiphe esikolweni la umntana esenza ugrade 10.
hey
esiXhoseni mna according to my knowledge esiXhoseni sithi umntana entombi ngowakhabontombi antsho nako ke utata utake over ukuthi uyamkhulisa umntana kadadewethu akasekho
abashadile
babengatshatanga odadewethu nabo lento othanda imali ndikuve kahle mna wena lokhunjana mawusithi imali ngusathana imali phofu sothini siyalamba kwathina mabefika laba befika nezimali zezi drugs because ungangibuza ukuthi umuntu usuka le ekhaya kubo esithi yena akho kutya mayifika la eSouth Africa jikijiki yena se-rich u-rich ngantoni.
Exactly abantu abo yini bengaboni why can't they see through those lies fana manje sesikoleni yabantwana if lo usephatha 100 rand hayibo question phela yebo imnandi
yayiba into enkulu kabi uphethe 50 cent esikolweni ayakhathaza
nangu siyabonga ngeke.
All right. It's ngicela ngokubulisa Brankululeko yazi usana lezi zinto azishoyo zibaluleke kakhulu because uthethe izinto eziningi futhi ezenza sense but it's ngicela ngokuthi ngendaba yangentethe yazi indaba yentethe usana uphinde washo futhi ukuthi ukusabisa nje lokho kuzowenzakala lapha because what's going to really happen yini into ezenzeka lapha
sasukile nanithi siyasabisa
into ezenzeka
into ezakwenziwa nyani ke khawuthethe into ezakwenziwa akhona ezakwenziwa Nkululeko usudlala ngathi nawe akhona ezakwenziwa nge-30 amasoja azawukhutshwa agcwala iSouth Africa yonke.
Exactly.
Hey, but asingathi ukusabisa because lento lena i-frustration yama-South Africans le lento asithina ngeke yenzeke in us understanding fully
I think
uzomosheka
lento enzakala manje we've been speaking about it and into esijwayele thina ukuthi masinenkinga siyakhuluma asina action Kwamanje i-action esinayo sithi nge-30 June. Alright, nge-30 June guessa kuzoyenzakalani. Kuzoba nama-hotspots where le march and march siyibona yenzeka ku-internet because la hlala khona ngeke siyibone yenzeka. Ethokoza I'm guaranteed ukuthi khona into ezoyenzeka. I-violence sizoyibona e-TV. E-Hillbrow sizoyibona e-TV. Because kulapho siyibona nasenongoma sizoyibona e-TV because that's where we saw it happening. La ngihlala khona mina eMpumalanga la eBronkospruit kuthulile ukuthi du.
Uyabona ke bhuti wami siya uyayithetha ke nyani. Impumalanga itheni Impumalanga iquiet kangaka.
Wonke umuntu phela lana it's not a project ekuthiwa hayi siya deploy wonke umuntu kumele aphakame nina anything ngeke yenzeke kumele kube yini
It's ngikutshele i-setup yami.
Siyabonga nawe sana. Kutheni ibuzi bangabana kutheni kuthulekile kodwa nithule nina.
It's ngikutshele.
Jonga mntasekhaya ithi ndikuxelele into mna ndithi nansi iLiberty uyandiva uyogcina ufile ushiya abantwana bebancinci ubulawe ngabantu ababakuni ngenxa into kokuba wena unevoice yokuthi yemadoda siyaqhatshazwa apha masiphakameni silwele lento iLiberty nansi apha eminyango ndaphakama va eholweni ndazibona mina sendingumuntu ongafunwayo yandiva ndakhitshwa esikanogwaja ndikhitshwa ngale ngeminyanga engemva ngenxa yokuthi yebethunana ababantu ndiqonde nama-manager asemayini ukuthi you can't do this to us kungekho umuntu omanami iholo ligcwele
bathula abantu
bandiyeka and guess what manje they are coming back ukuthi masenzeni ipetition siyistophe sibuyele DMR sihlulekile ngela xesha ndibuza ukuthi why sivumela iLiberty besishtophile sivumela kanjani kwaphuma abanye banyonyoma phemveni kwethu esiphila nabo la bahamba bayovula ipetition iLiberty yangena phakathi yablasta so manje ungiqelele ke into yokuba xa kukhona apha kuthi ma-South African akwazi kwenza loo nto leyo do you think uzofa wedwa abantwana obashiye nabantu bathi becinga ubhadlile
Yeah. Into ezoyenzeka le Brown Kuleko because at the end of the day into ezoyenzeka ukuthi bakhona angisho manje uthi thina sithuleleni. I think we cannot underestimate the power of influence. Abantu abafana nabo ngizwe nabo phakela umthakathi lezi zinto bazenza ngoba ne-influence. Empumalanga uba one influence. Ngoba uyayithola i-household enabafazi maybe 10 houses per street kunabafazi nje kuphela amadoda akekho. So wena njengendoda ekhona lapho kuleso strata leso you don't have any power because ne-backup ayikho. Okay, let me just tell you about the setup enginayo mina Nkuleko la ngihlala khona. So in terms of ama-drugs, ama-Nigeria ase-down endaweni awekho. Siphila nabantu ababuya eMaputo naseZimbabwe nama-Pakistan abase-stall. Abantu abathengisa indakamizwa abantu esibajwayele esiphila nabo ma-South Africans. And mangizosho kanjalo ngichaza ukuthi they are teamed up with ama-police. Usho ukuthi there's nothing that you could do to them. Ama-police. Ama-Somalia now, ama-Pakistan, they also have that same system to say if uzoba threatenish. I mean, these people have guns. So, lang hlala khona there's ayikho into ezoyenzeka ifana ne-situation eyenzeka kuma-lootings nani. Into lama-lootings makayenzeka e-TV, lang hlala khona akayenzeki because it's a quiet place. Nalabantu labo they are too settled bayazi ukuthi no. Lana kuna movement, any movement amaphoyisa sibaphethe esikhwameni sidla nabo. So there's nothing that's going to happen.
Nalapho ukuthi zange kwenzeka lutho sayibukela e-TV.
Exactly. Indaba ye-looting we saw it on TV. Thina zange siyibone. Nangen-30 I'm still saying the same thing. The government is going to protect these people. Izo deploy ama-soja eThokoza just kuma hotspots nje kuphela. Wathula kwathi cha yadlula uJuni saya the next month nothing is going to happen labantu basazoba khona unless siya kuma politician directly. I think there's something that happened. I think it was last year where a country where angathi youth isukumile yalanda straight lama politicians. That's the only solution because manje into ezwenze ukuthi
izokwenzeka
siyaya guys
once abantu bablockeka bazothi no man asiyelapha lento guys. You cannot predetermine whatever is going to happen there. The only thing that is going to happen is uzokala. Kwaqala nizobonela nini uthi hayibo.
Nibathina neyazi Witbank ukuthi njani?
Akusana bantu.
Usajoze Witbank.
webra kuleke ithi mina ngibuze wena nge-30 June wena ucanga ukuthi kuzowenzakalani because mina nosana sithi kuzoba namasotsha akhitshiwe ukuthi wena uyeke lento oyenzayo wena uthi kuzowenzakalani.
Phendula ngoleke. Ngizomphendula after.
ngifuna ukungicriminate manje la.
Suku masithi senza i-guesswork siyenza isibonelelo into engathi
Ngiyangibali.
Yes,
Thina sithi hypothetically uthini?
Mam promise, nangu mam promise. Mina ngithi lento
Kuleko,
ngeke lento nizobonela nina.
Abangangibuzi mina.
Angifuna abantu beboshwe because of live wami.
Eshandro.
Ukuthi konke abayenzile.
Eshandro.
Baba Apula niyaphila?
Alright mntaba.
Oh, mahle matanga.
Hayi sikhona ngibingelele endlini. Webafu, yazi ukuthi umbuzo lokhu kumele uthi ngomhla 30 June kuzokwenzakalani. Angazi noma abantu bayakhumbula yini ngalesikhathi kubanjwe uNqamalala ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ileyo nto into ezokwenzeka ukuthi already there is iplan ekhona to deploy izobivalekile ama access points especially amanye ama province bayawabona. Remember ukuthi ukuze kunyakaze wonke amanye ama province kunyakaze iNatal bafaka upetrol bafaka ama quantum bafaka iRanger yabhuti kwakhushukwa kwehliwa kweNew. Ayikho iprovince noma ilokishi eSouth Africa elisukumelile ngisho namhlanje la kade bekhona bekuhamba iRanger yabhuti phambili. So bayazi ukuthi koSoweto Gompo ngobani nothing is going to happen because
Hey, but this time around, guys.
No,
This time around.
allow me to land. So into abangayinakile is that people in other provinces or in other townships there are people who are against this, who will use this to tarnish this. Njengalenye inhlangano ebovu ezothumela igang ukuthi ihambe yolutha ibe disruptive ishaya abantu mase kuthiwa ngiyabona ke ngomhla ka-30 njani. But ifocus izobe ilapha kuthina eNzansi. Ifocus i-deployment eningi izobe ilapho ukuthi bagadile ukuthi senzani. Now remember two things. No, remember what they are going to do. They are going yabona nje e-toll gate airport ama-toll gate wonke lawa N2 na N3 azobe egadiwe, but iphutha bazolenza negenge leyangaphandle into ezoyenza izocasha. Remember sikwazi ukungena emafletini sibakhiphe yabona. So into ezokwenzeka noma uneflat eSouth Beach noma eNorth Beach kukwena ukuthi uyayikhipha le gang uya-evacuator because izovele ikhiyicapha ihlale endlini ithule ingaphumi ngomhla ka-30. So lento yamhla ka-30 is not gonna end ngomhla ka-30 kuphela. uJuly uzobe umuncu nangakusasa kuzobe kunje kuyoze kushaya umhla ka-5, but into engikuthembisa yona ukuthi
ngisacela ubuza but April.
Yes ma.
Uyakhumbula ngela xesha le-apartheid ndiyavuma baphuma abantu ababangama leaders baya kuloo mazwe futhi njena nje apho bendisemncinci into endiyaziyo mna ndazo-Angola ndazo-Congo ndazo-Tanzania azange ndakhe ndava nangeNigeria.
No, othi ngixoxele kule nto oyishoyo. Yabo le nto abacasha ngayo ukuthi we housed you during your destitution or when you guys were desperate. If umfolowisha ubaba we-e.tv oyipresenter wake washo enye into ukuthi ngalesikhathi bona be-Mozambique beya ko-Tanzania during the struggle they had to be reported ukuthi bayeza to the government of Nigeria. They had to be reported ukuthi bayeza to the government of Tanzania. They didn't just come in undocumented. They came in and the government knew ukuthi they were there. So this thing ukuthi we housed you during the desperate times is nonsense. I don't even entertain that thing.
babe
Remember they-
babangaphi xa babephuma because babe bangabikho ngale ndlela babe
No, no, no.
bayingcosana
Don't entertain that thing because
Labantu
it's
babeya
try-
kwi-camp. They were going
it's
to a
trying to
camp.
guilt
They
trip
were
you.
allocated a
Yabona
place.
nje mina lento yokuthi we housed you during apartheid is nonsense. Because remember, what we are fighting against is not documented people. It is undocumented people and unskilled people coming to this country. You know, my brother yesterday told me something. He's an academic. He works for one of the universities. He said the way Tina South Africa esinganayo majority of us esinganayo information ngakhona. Yazi ukuthi ingane efundi IT ayiyenzi masters. These people bafika nama masters then they become lecturers. And they say khona shortage yama lecturers in South Africa. Because thina ingane yenza degree yenza diploma mase ivele iphelele emoyeni ihambe yofuna umsebenzi. There is a shortage of lecturers in universities, and if you go to universities, I myself currently I'm being taught in CPUT. I'm being taught by two Nigerian lecturers. Those guys have nothing special. They just have a master's and you can become a lecturer. And lecturers earn very good money. So what I'm saying, Guti, Lendo Guti, they housed us. It's not about how many people went to their country, but those people who went to their countries were documented during apartheid. So we are fighting the undocumented. We are fighting the guys who are committing crime. I'm from Durban, and I know exactly what's happening. So what I'm saying, on the 5th, on the 30th, from the 30th to the 6th, the only province that will be standing up and risking their lives is KZN. None of these other provinces will be doing that. And I can assure you, because ukubona esikoleni mekuthiwa ayingeke yabona eklasini uyakhumbula eklasini kuphakama abantu ababili kuphela su-50 eklasini mina ngifunda nabantu bewu-50 hayi lezi ingane ngifunda nabantu abawu-9 eklasini su-50 eklasini kwakuphakama abantu abawu-2 kuphela ibona ababesala eghostini. So that is what's going to happen again in South Africa. KZN is going to be singled out. And already there is a plan to diffuse the situation. But what I like about KZN, even the police people back home, you could see yesterday when those people didn't want to enter the bus. Ishintshile imut, babebafaka ngenkani. Ungasijwayeli kami ngesizwe ngawo. So I'm not saying Zulus are the biggest warriors in South Africa, but Zulus stood up. Traveled to Eastern Cape, traveled to
ima
Soweto.
bhuti wami yazi uba yintoni ne I think usikwixesha lwamasithethe inyani ne yabona makusithiwa abantu bakwazi ukuphemba umlilo ngamazulu bese thina apha eceleni thina amaXhosa sobe sikhumsha ke asike siphumeni nokukhumsha kwethu sikhumsha apha esitratweni ngoku ukuthi kuyekwe le nto eyenzakala eSouth Africa okukhumsha kwethu manje kusithiwa amaXhosa afundile amaXhosa this amaXhosa that iyandidika loo nto leyo because ayikho into ayenzayo ngaloo nto leyo yabo kokubhadla kwabo ukuthi
Well, amaXhosa
sikhululeke
namanje
ngemva kwesizwe.
asavotela unodoli namanje. So I'm not talking down on Xhosa people, but you can't be voting for your abuser till today. So what needs to happen on the 5th? Siyazi ukuthi sizobe sisodwa. You see me, I'll tell you one thing straight. If I order an Uber, the transport, I decline if it's not a South African.
Yayibona ndi deep kanjani.
If I order food and somebody from outside the country delivers food for me, I do not tip. Because for me now, it is
Awuyafana nami
personal.
wena.
Yabona
is
ndi deep
personal.
kanjani. Wonke
Because
umuntu kumele abe
unfortunately, I
kule
cannot
understanding.
choose who delivers food for me, but I can choose the transportation I take, which is, and when I take a South African as an Uber, I was in Durban today. I flew into Durban, and eThekwini, I've never seen a Nigerian, a Congolese, and a Zimbabwean Uber driver. eThekwini umzila ugadiwe when it comes to that. So I am starting small. Even the auntie esimqashile la endlini on Sweep South, I make sure ukuthi umZulu waseSoweto, because I'm trying to start. I cannot change the economy, but I can change how I spend my money.
Yes.
So if we start like that, even if Umhlaka 30 goes and beyond, if we start doing that, you will see the change.
Azohamba.
Mele behambe.
No, they can
I'd
only
like to
go
make
if we
one
push
last
them.
comment. I'd like to make one last comment. Uyabona ANC isijoyela kabi. Lo baba lo waseThekwini isijoyela kabi. And I'm glad the ANC is not coming back to govern KZN. He lied to us. Usirili, Usiru baba lo mfundisi lo Mbumbulu. Slima lesi. And ngiyaxolisa ukubiza umuntu omdala ngesilima. Umeya waseThekwini usenze ingane izolo. Uthe out of 400 people who were verified, only one wasn't documented.
Uthe two.
Bethe one.
Ubethe one. The
Kaba
first,
se 300.
Wathomnye urejectiwe. Wathomnye wareject.
yes. So asenziwe ilima eThekwini. Because if you watch his interviews, I'm a very good listener and reader of a person. He doesn't know what to do because he's trying to keep his seat safe. Remember, mandate akakaphumi national ukuthi how they should act. The minister of the presidency is saying Amazulu are dividing the country. The only person who's standing up, even called out the government, our president, is Ulu Sufi, because he knows he's out and is trying to tarnish image as Cyril because he's running for government in 2027. So he's the only one who stood in parliament and said, hey, our government needs to start treating this as a
Hey
national crisis.
baba. Hey Ramaphosa.
Umtshelile.
Kuleli.
So uCyril Xaba izolo
Hayi
usenze
waphuma
ilimi
apha
eThekwini.
esithi uyamkhumbula ngesikhathi esenza i-speech apha esithi yana it's a hearsay indaba ukuthi yale lokhunjaneni yakhe yezamali ezafunyanwayo.
uRamaphosa.
Uthule yonke le nyakanyaka eyenzakalayo uzovuka sithi hayi serumor.
So we must be careful when we're going to vote. And to my closer people, please do not vote the ANC again. Otherwise, you will continue crossing rivers with crocodiles for the rest of your lives. This is time for change.
Sekhona ne-action essay. Awenza
Hayi,
Khona
hayi.
no-ATM.
Abakuva bakumamelanga.
Khona ne-ATM. But I promise you.
Eastern Cape kuyasokolwa.
But they are still going to
enye.
vote for Unodoli. I promise
Guys,
you.
Manimamelanga sana. You're wasting your breath with those ones. Ndiyanixelela.
Kanjani
Hayi
manje?
no like yazi ithini into ne
Yonga.
cha bengaba bamamelanga babe nophinda babuyisele le ANC lapha ya yabona thina singamagoduka masifika pha masifike sibaxelele thina noba sikusemigidini ukuthi niseza usokola nisokolisa bobu bhanqa nibenzayo apha
Ningayiphathi
Abantu
kuna lento.
uzabaxelela njani beza bebebhizi nje becula.
Una brand.
Bebhizi becula uzabaxelela njani abakumamelanga. That's the problem. Yabona bakuthetha ngaba ya.
Yabapeja nina niza nezinto from
No.
outside.
Mamela ngoleko.
Abantu mele
Yabona
bezibone
abantu.
ba hayi kuyabheda nyani. Hayi nathi asinayo. Hawu nathi asinayo.
Ntsonga. Yabona aba bantu aba bethu base-Eastern Cape, aba base-Eastern Cape, aba basithi othina. Xa uthetha kunye nabo bayafana namagweja. Xa uthetha namagweja weva bakumamelanga abava noba uthini xa usithi hambani. Bayafana ke netoba uthi phaa kubo suvotele i-ANC bangathi uthetha negweja phaa kubo. Xelela aba ya.
language abangayivayo.
No, babambile gesi yaMandela ebhedayo wasayona.
Engekhoyo
Bamelanga
bafumanisa
bakwa. Jonga. Ngiyaxelela abena abeva basoza bakuve gayizini. Abayana.
hayi kodwa mhlawumbe ngasithi bazawuva.
Yo hayi ngeke. Jonga naxelela
bazawuva
ngoku
kule game.
if uyongena ku platforms zabo I was so shocked the other time to qona hayibo. kusekhona umuntu one-interest into mangabana who's coming in. I mean umuntu one-interest nge-elections the-internal elections the-ANC, the leadership ye-ANC.
Fethu.
Kwayinto mangabana baxoxa into bangabana who's coming in as a chairperson ye-Eastern Cape.
One decisive leadership. Look at what happened with MK.
Exhaust their data and they exhaust their time debating leadership ye-ANC.
Kaloku jonga mntasekhaya yazi uba mna ndicinga uba bayenziswa yintoni loo nto leyo umntu anditshona ma ephaa phezulu esihlalweni ulaletyile omnye apha ezantsi utya isupek uzakhonvinsa lo utya isupek uthi ya ndingenza umehluko kule game yabona xa kuye kwaba ndim kule game ochophileyo phaa nantsi into abenzayo nayona.
Yo, man, hey, guys, those people are not worth the time, man, to discuss it. Abantu babayekweni.
Ye mntasekhaya uthetha ukuthini abantu uthi ukuthi i-household iphila ngemali egrant
Bayazazi nje ngaba bayazaziyo ngala grant baphila ngayo. Hey man, simayeke babantu bafe babayafa.
Yo hayi kodwa ibuhlungu mntasekhaya ibuhlungu.
Wasifa uking lapha phezulu king. Wathula inyawo bonaka.
Yazi uba kukho enye umbuzo
Angithule ngilalele nje wonke umuntu.
Yo.
itsho kaloku khawuthola kuluvo ukuthi ubona ntoni uva kanjani.
Kulman king phezulu. Thuleleni.
Mina ngithi ikhona into ezokwenzeka ngomhla ka-30 because nami ngizobe ngikhona. Ngifuna i-leave, ngicela i-leave bayi-approve ngomhla ka-30.
Nathi mina ngamele siwasaba.
Sengiyiqalile because what I'm saying is it starts with you. Uyabona njengoba mina ngidecide ukuthi ene angisoze ngaphinda ngathenga ePakistaneni, eChineni, ekwerekwereni. Angisoze ngaphinda. It starts with me. And if my neighbor can do the same thing, if umuntu engisebenza naye can do the same thing, if omunye umuntu can do the same thing, that is how they are going to be kicked out of the country. Wonke umuntu ngisho ukuthi awukho ke kuwe street uyamasha nabantu. Awukho mhlawumbe because ubambekile or what. But the decision that you make, yokuthi ene I'm not ever going to buy. And my child is not ever going to buy there. Ngiyahamba e-Shoprite ngiyothenga ama-snacks ingane ihamba nama-snacks esikoleni ayithengi ndawo. So
masidlulile lapho sithi politics bese sithi
emva kwalokho sithi politics. Emva politics held accountable. Awukwazi ukuthi uzothi kuzolethwa amanzi and then amanzi angafiki. Asikwazi kuba nama-tank achitha amanzi emgwaqeni by the time efike ebantwini amanzi awasekho. Asikwazi kuba naleyo nto leyo. It's not gonna happen.
Ushiswa laba manje abona nje hey.
And uyazi ukuthi ubaba wakabani bani o drive i-truck yakamasipala. One guy siye kubaba wakasibani bani o drive i-truck yakamasipala simtshela ukuthi you can't do this to your people. If you are going to be doing this to your people yeka umsebenzi.
Uyalapho kodwa manje.
Mawuhlele home affairs and uyazi ukhazini wakho usisi wakho ubani bani wakini use home affairs wenza ukuthi nokuthi call them into order. We start there.
Mawuhluleka ba-report to the public. Thina siye lapha siwu-20.
Yabona nje into esengiqala I report you. I'm not going to be like I report you. Awukwazi ukusuwisa, awukwazi ukuthi sithi siyakha wena ufike utshontshe itini. We can't do that. As South Africans, we can't do that anymore. Sesibonile, sesifundile ukuthi what it means to build generational wealth.
Induna namakomiti alikhumbula ikomiti.
Udingise mangaba uva udingise utongqothile endaweni.
Even ma-suburbs.
Ka-government awuxoshwa. No, ka-government usuzoxoshwa manje. You can't be treating our people like this and then someone okhokhela u-R10 okuthengela ilantshi, that's the person. Yini usebenzela isisu sakho wena. What about other people?
Ngisacela ukubuza.
Bantu olumisa
kunjani?
Yes khona singazweni lapha.
Hayi nami ngiyaphila. nginemibuzo nje emincane nje. Umbuzo wami wokuqala uthi kazi ubuntu bayaphi eSouth Africa? Umbuzo wami wesibini uthi uma wena njengomuntu omdala usebenza unengane nomfazi wakho, so uhambile uye emsebenzini, mawubuye mhlawumbe uqashe i-security elizokugadela kwakho, ushiye kwakho kune-security nengane nonkosikazi wakho. Mawubuye emsebenzini ubuya kukhona umuntu okhona endlini ohleli nezingane zakho nonkosikazi wakho, ubani omele umbuzo ukuthi lo muntu ungene kanjani la eyadini?
unkosikazi
Kuyomela ubuze unkosikazi.
I-security yakho.
unkosikazi nonkosikazi security sis angithi siqatshiwe i-security silalela i-instruction esuka ku-madam madam boss
Unkosikazi wakho, unkosikazi wakho ne-security bawu-2 abantu abamele baphendule lapho.
Abantu uzosixabanisa-ke manje, yani bese sizwana.
Bandithini point yami?
Angizunixabanisa, ngicela ningilalele kancane.
Ngathi ndiyakuva ufuna uthini, iye pointini.
Ngicela ningilalele kancane.
Mina ndisone ngathi ufuna usixelela into yoba i-government silwe ne-government yethu.
Ngicela ningilalele kancane. Njengomuntu omdala ofundile, umuntu oye esikolweni, mina ngiyanga esikolweni nje inhlobo. So njengomuntu omdala oye esikolweni, awukwazi ukuthi uvotela i-ANC le ephinde ikwazi ukuthi yenzeni ikuhlalise nama-illegal foreign eSouth Africa. Awukwazi kuvotela i-Action SA le ehambisana nabelungu laba baqasha bona ama-foreigner la eSouth Africa. Mawuqeda wena wenze njani? Ushaya abantu abangenalo icala. And then uyabona mina njengomuntu ongafundanga angazi ukuthi manje ukusuka la ngibheke lapha eZimbabwe angazi ukuthi icala. So mina mangifika eZimbabwe bathi hayi licala ukufika la ngongekho emthetho ungenawo amaphepha bayangishaya lapha. Ngikwazelaphi lokho ngoba mina ngifundanga, ngoba mina ngizamela impilo, ngilambile, ngifuna into eyeswini. Umthetho kumele udlale indima yawo, hayi ama-citizen. Ama-citizen into kumele bayenze ukuthi bayenze njani? Bafeyisane no-government, hayi abantu abaphilayo la phansi. Ngoba namuhla kuzokwenzeka lento yenzeke eCape Town yokuthi ngisuke la ngiye eKZN ngiyozama impilo. Mangifika lapha eKZN bathi no cha, lento yenza ukuba sidinga imisebenzi la yilaba base-Eastern Cape ngoba kuqashwe bona la, ngoba yibona la abakwazi ukuqala amabhizinesi la. Ayaqala amaZulu manje ashaya mina manje athi phinde Eastern Cape
bantu singabisedwa ngobuzwe. Singabisedwa abantu ngobuzwe.
Ngeke.
Ngathi kodwa if ungumuntu ofundile oyile esikolweni uyocabanga njengomuntu. Ngicela ukuqedela ngizonilalela nani. Nakho futhi okunye futhi labantu abahlala emoyeni la eSouth Africa. Abantu bahlala eyadini zethu zogogo bethu zomama bethu. Abantu banikezwa indawo zokuthengisela zimeya zethu. Hayi akubona bafike bayihlalele lapho. Bafika bahlala lapho benikezwe yimeya, bafike barente izindlu esihlala kuzona emakhaya, kibe yithini esibanikeza zona lezi zindlu lezi badayise.
Bantu asithina wena umuntu
ngilale ama-South Africans kodwa bahlala ezindlini zama-South African, hayi
isinqumo somuntu oyedwa obhekene
ngicela ukuchaza ngiqede.
Asedicayidile ukuthi awasabafundi.
Ngicela ukuchaza ngiqede.
Majority.
Ngicela ukuchaza ngiqede.
Ithina sabavumela ukuthi bangene.
Ima ngicela ukuchaza
sabafuni-ke sebengahamba-ke
ngicela ukuchaza ngicela siyasuka manje silalela ubani uJacinta unemali ayenzayo lapha kula mashini manje
wenza malini
mana
wenza malini zanendaba wenza malini
mana siyasuka nje manje ngabantu abahlala la egroundini
Iyafana noMalema naye wenza imali ngomaphayana ngathi
wabona inkinga yethu
amelanga abantu ukuthi ayi nathi sithi ma-South Africans right azange sithi si-right singama-South African
sabafuni hayi sabavumele
ngancane ebhunkuleko ninjani niyaphila
imani ebantu wena uyasixokozisa awuzi nesolution thina sifuna ukuzwa i-solution yakho ukuthi okay ngoba sekunje uthi asithini sambe
ebhunkuleko ubantu ngicela umkhiphe but ngoba sogcina siphikisana sixoxa into engekho because yabona message uJacinta uyahola akanayo isho ukuthi uholelwa ubani mangathiwa akeze neproof ukuthi uJacinta
ayingikhiphe baba vele angiyixoxa into
ubantu
yonke into challenge emhlabeni if ubalekela ama challenges uthola ama solution abedayo ngikhiphe baba
ubantu
ngisho kubantu sesidecide angithi sabangenisa
ithini isolution kabantu bantu sesizwile
ubantu akasiyena umSouth African
mlinde
ngiyawazi wonke ama-South Africans if uphikisana nawo uyena wala eSouth Africa ngowalaba abamile eSouth Africa isolution yami ithini wena njengomuntu wala eSouth Africa mawuke wakwazi ukuthi ushintshe indlela yokuvota and then mawuqeda ukushintsha indlela yokuvota wazi ukuthi inkinga la eSouth Africa kumele uqondane nabanye uqondane nami as umuntu wala eSouth Africa
sivotele
bantu sivota every 5 years lento yenzeka phakathi kino 5 years senze njani ngithi
uyazi inkinga ikephi mkhulu inkinga ila ekuthenini la eSouth Africa sinama politician amaningi and then sinama politician amaningi la eSouth Africa kunalabo abavotela iANC because ngoba belamba benikezwe izinkwa iANC
abavotela iEFF bona
iEFF yenzeni
inike abantu imali nayo
senze njani bantu awume ngikhuza
okay iEFF ayikho government mina ngikhuluma ngeANC
government nansi ayikumadlanga commission kodwa ayikho ku government kodwa ikumadlanga
sengisho
njani bantu namhlanje nje kusasa senze
njengoba
nansi
I'm sure
ayikho ku government awuzokutela wena apha
khohlwa isikole
okay so njengomuntu ofundile uyakwazi ukuthi makunenkinga
ofundeni
okay wathi ngikiyeke mkhulu akhonto sizoyincokola
phuma mani kwento yomani usiqala ngokufunda nongafundi apha uzosenza umuntu ongafundanga phinde uzenze umuntu ofundileyo apha sincolela
yazi sometimes umuntu ozokhuluma ipoint ebheke eceleni ukathatha i-education ayibeke phambili khona ezothola iPT yokuthi akafundile njengamanje mokuthi ufundile awufundile but ukhuluma nonsense into engayiphambili asikhohle lento ayidinga isikole idinga common sense
bafundileyo kaloku athule ungafundanga
yabo lento ayidinga isikole ayidinga idesk idinga common sense nokukhula as umuntu khohle ukulokhu sikhohlisa uskill tripper sifundile ngeke singafundi but musuku skill tripper ngenonsense sifundile ngeke sikufihle lokho musuzosikhipa ngenonsense if ungafundile ungakhulu don't participate in intellectual conversation vale phone uhambe uyolala ngeke uzoskill trip
ubuza ubantu khangasive sizigxeka sizi South African ukuthi sizenzile nathi kwizinto ezinye akasivanga cause siyithethile loo nto le into yoba
Same,
zininzi
ngithe kuye abeva ngendlebe abantu abantu be-ANC namagqwetha abeva ngendlebe zabo guys.
Le nto
abantu
ayenzayo i-self-pity
iwest ke
nonsense.
thina ke size sathi
Yes, sifundile.
aba-Eastern Cape thina maxhosa sazize ndazifaka ndathi mna ngoku yintoni into azosixelela yona ebusuku apha
Guys, ngicela singayi-entertain le
Yabona
nonsense.
ukuthi
Ngicela singayi-entertain le
Sanibona,
nonsense yalo muntu, siqhubeke ne-conversation.
No,
I-common sense
Now
iyamshiya.
King, asifakeni uKing.
Asiqhubekeni ne-conversation
Asiqhubeke
simkhohlwe lo muntu.
nelantuka guys.
Vele i-common sense akanayo.
Nonsense.
Ufundile
I
akafundile.
need it.
Asijwayela kabi nje, angasijwayeli kabi. Sikhuluma ngento eserious la, sikhuluma ngomhlaba wethu. Uzositshela ngokufunda nokungafundi.
ndisacela ubuza
Imasana. Kasifake
okay ngena ke
King.
sithanda
King, what?
ngena ndizawuthula
Sanibona njani?
Sikona
molo good king
Sharp kulelo. Yazi mina ngendlela engibona ngayo. Manje isikhathi sokuthi sibuyele eMbasane. Isikhathi sokuthi sixolane.
Awuzwakali.
I think if I'm efforts.
Oh,
Shankula.
hey. Yini? Woza.
Yeah, ngithi mina isikhathi sokuthi yabo sibuyele emuva nendaba yokuhlukana ngobuhlanga ayikho manje. We have to fight this thing, especially nje lento eyenzeke izolo by imeya yaseThekwini and Home Affairs. Bakhombisa ukusidelela kakhulu and they showed us ukuthi abanindaba nathi. And instead of them ukuthi babuye kithi and try to communicate properly nathi, bahamba i-deputy president izosi-intimidate ngokuthi njoba kuba nalombhikisho, obviously they would have to act as a government. But the main important thing ekufanele sizame ukuyilwela ukuthi siyichinje. This I'm not sure, but it's there on the white paper. Ukuthi lento le ethi South Africa belongs to everyone who lives in it. That law we must change definitely, because yonke into there's here on Facebook khona umama bathu Enhle, she's trending nje these days. She's educative about the politics and stuff, and ebesho nje some of the things that we really need to change in our laws. Nokuthi we cannot say ukuthi izwe lethu sil-own nabantu abafikayo. That is the main thing ekufanele siyilwele. And the other thing that she mentioned, and I think ukuthi into ekufanele ngabe sifocusa kiyo ukuthi sidefend idemocracy yethu. This thing of a political party, of them choosing their own president to represent us as South Africans, that is wrong. We as South Africans should have a right to choose which president do we want, because we are being spoon-fed every time. Yeah, so phela yazi singesakuse sethu. Yabo, so every time bona they shove somebody down our throats, and then we have to swallow that pain for 5 years to live with a president that we never chose. Imagine now if Paul Mashatile, the person, there are scandals all over surrounding him.
We are on as a stage.
He can't even answer a simple question. You understand? So now it's up to us as South Africans, Oguti, after we're fighting this, let's stand up for this, get rid of these people. Because at the end of the day, we must make sure as South African goods, we get our own laws. These people must be behind bars. Because bona, they are not suffering. The people who are suffering, it's us, normal citizens. It's
Asobashaya manje mfethu because ababopheki.
King ngicela nje ukuphala ulimi. Yabona lento oyishoyo ibalekile. Baleke ngani, if you look at the situation right now, buki climate, ANC ifana noMalema njengamanje. He's backed in a corner, they are backed in a corner. Bayatatazela, ukubona mawubanjiwe kade uchithile, sekubanjwe ngefoni ukukhuluma nezinto ezingekho ezibhedayo, uvela uthuka umuntu wakho nje, uthuke abanye baze bamshaya umuntu because usuke sekubambile.
Oh,
awusenayo iplan. So njengamanje i-ANC ikwi-situation ethi they know they are going out 100%. Thina as citizens njengamanje babuka ukuvukelwa umbuso kuze kwakhulunywa kwathiwa kunama-threats coup eyenzekala baqala ngoku-accuse uMkhwanazi ukuthi ufuna ukushaya i-coup. So njengamanje they are threatened and the way to respond abanayo because i-SAPS, i-SANDF ne-Marine ayifuni lento eyenzakalayo manje. So thina as citizens sesisukumile ingakho sebesibheca ngamagama amabi njengamaZulu or ama-citizens asukumayo because remember ukuthi bathatha imali eTopia, bathatha imali eNigeria. uCyril has as mines in Nigeria. You understand that? So you should understand ukuthi njengale nabo abasazi ukuthi bazokwenzani manje sebeyabhidisha nje bayaphenika. Into ezoshintsha i-South Africa first of all ukushintsha i-constitution le nonsense yeCodese and sengibuyele emuva kakhulu sengisusukunye ukukhuluma.
Yes.
But for us to change South Africa and the laws that we have, remember ukuthi izolo i-ANC ikhiphe i-post yathi ofuna uku-apply as a mayor of any city because bayabona manje ukuthi bayashayeka. There is a post ephumile ukuthi if ufuna uku-apply as a mayor funa lube nama-qualifications that is ba-advertisile because abanawo ama-candidates. Abanayo i-candidates ase-Johannesburg, there is none. Abanayo i-candidates ase-Eastern Cape, abanayo i-candidates ase-KZN because they understand ukuthi njengamanje kushubile sebevulela nombani ukuthi woza uzoba yi-mayor. So yabona lento isho insile when you speak about if we want to change South Africa, we should relook the politics. And when we relook the politics, we need to relook the constitution. We will be free. And it is said ukuthi it will take us to die again. Remember ukuthi 1976, 2006 manje, somebody posted the sixes ukuthi in 1986 there's always a six. And I believe ukuthi change in 2006 is going to happen. And once we take over, and I can guarantee you one thing, KZN is going to be independent indirectly. Indirectly, KZN, and it's going to be the first province. Yes, we have our flaws, and the political parties that are going to win KZN have their flaws. But believe me when I say people are going to stop suffering in KZN once that happens. And I agree with you on the sense, Yoguti, on the note, Yoguti, we need to change our political landscape. Lastly, Senglala Pants, remember ukuthi Cyril wasayinani engena esebona ukuthi ANC iyayiluza ipower. Wavumela ukuthi ama-independent can participate in national and provincial or national and local politics ukuze bakwazi ukubathenga labantu abama-independent, which is what they did in KZN. They took smaller parties and but benza nawo ama-coalition. Leyo nonsense kufuna liphele. And I'm with you when you say we need, before we change anything, and right now we see Con, I hope and pray, March and March doesn't become a political party. I hope and pray, ukuthi amabutho, amabhinga do not become a political party, but become a civil society, efana no Katrata, efana no Lokunjana, nalaba abanye, ama-civil unions akhulumela abantu bangabecome a political party, but as many ekutheni we need to change the political landscape for us to be free.
Thank you. Politics kumele compete in something ene force enkulu. Yabo. Ubani lo sana
Ndimvile nami uNonhle. Ubani nguNonhle? Uenhle. Ndimvile nami uenhle.